So I record ICE. That's what my group does. We record them to provide transparency to the people of Utah.
Can you tell us your name, sir?
My name is Jonathan Hymas. Any other information you need?
No, just that.
Okay. So growing up, I would wear a mask in the winter, and police would see us, and they would see us as hoodlums, and they would have us remove our masks, because if we were to do anything that would harm them, they would want to know who harmed them. We have officers in this building who are not wearing masks because they are proud of their job, they are proud of what they do, and they actively try to integrate with their communities and communicate with their people that they serve. So that is why they don't get doxxed as much as ICE. That is why they often don't need to wear face masks, is because they build a good reputation. So hoodlums and bank robbers wear masks, and we see ICE agents walk into their job wearing ski masks that look like bank robbers. So if I see someone who looks like a bank robber, my assumption is to assume they are a bank robber. Now, me in Utah, an open carry state that allows me to defend myself and protect myself, I have split-second actions to defend myself from people who may cause me harm. And there are incidences where HSI has not been on the front of their vests when they've interacted with us.
I need you to wrap it up.
They have not had clear clarification that they are ICE agents when they harass me and my people. They come up with masks, and they shine lights in us, and they harass us. None of you have talked about the citizen safety, but only the ICE agent safety, and your citizens will take safety into their own matters if you cannot do that for them. Thank you.
All right, thank you.